Thank you so much for watching GG Vibes every Wednesdays and Saturdays. I know that you've been enjoying a lot of our covers, but my next song is a very special treat. A very, very special treat because it's composed by Romeo Marquez, our drummer, and Erwin Laksa, our director, producer, and the heart and soul of GG Vibes. But unfortunately, they're not here because of the pandemic, and we all wanted to be safe. But that won't stop us to perform to all of you. And soon, GG Vibes will be here. Very soon. Let's pray for that. Let's claim it. And our next song, it's an original and a part of us. Self-titled Gigi Delana. It will be out on January 28, 2022, our album. And now I want to teach you a new Tagalog slang. It's malakas, said backwards, sakalam. Can you guys say the word sakalam? One more time. Sakalam. You're so cute. All right. This is our original, Sakalam. Introducing GG Vibes. John, Jake, LA, Romeo. Let's do this. Let's give a round of applause to John, Drake, L.A. Romeo, even though they're not here. John, are you ready? Let's go.
Tanaw ko malayo, wala akong makita sa gabi. Malamig, unang ng aking yakap umaasa na ika'y magbabalik, pinipilit na ikaw ay marinig. Pagod sa paghihintay, tawirin kahit anong tulad, sikapin makapiling ka, pumuti man ang mga mata, makita ka lamang. Hinay ka lang, pusong malamdam, sakit ay sa kalam, ito na ang gabing walang buwan. Sana naman iyong pakinggan, kahit masaktan, pusong bumihiyaw, sumisigaw, ang hinahanap ay ikaw. Hirap ka ba kausap? Hindi pa ba ako sapat? Pangarap ko'y nawala, ang sagot ng iyong mga mata, ang haba na walang kasing lamig. Meron ka bang dinadala? Hinay ka lang, pusong malamdam, sakit ay sa kalam, ito na ang gabing walang buwan. Sana naman iyong pakinggan,
want you to sing the chorus part with me, but we'll do it 3 times for those who don't know the song. So here are the lyrics. Hinay ka lang, pusong maramdam, sakit ay saka lang, ito na ang gabing walang buwan. So, Romeo, are you ready? Let's go!
Hinay ka lang, pusong maramdam.
Come on, memorize it.
Sakit ay saka lang, ito na ang gabing walang buwan.
I can hear you, come on!
Hinay ka lang, pusong maramdam. Sakit ay saka lang, ito na ang gabing walang buwan. One last. I can't hear you. Ka lang, maramdam. Sakit ay saka lang, ito na ang gabing walang